flew single-engine fighters in the Air Force, but this plane has 4 engines. It's an entirely different kind of flying, altogether.
It's an entirely different kind of flying.
All right, give me Hamm on 5, hold the Mayo.
What was it we had for dinner tonight?
Well, we had a choice, steak, fish.
Yes, I remember. I had lasagna.
I picked the wrong week to quit sniffing glue.
Cream? No, thank you. I take it black. Like my man.
Bad news. The fog is getting thicker.
And Leon's getting larger.
Joey, have you ever been in a Turkish prison?
Nervous?
Yes.
First time?
No, I've been nervous lots of times.
Roger.
Huh?
Request vector. Over. What?
Flight 209er, clear for vector 324.
We have clearance, Clarence.
Roger. What's our vector, Victor?
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Jim never vomits at home.